talk about now. This is Xfield. Xfield, Xfield.ai. So this one is more complex and this one is wider. This one has a lot of things inside. With this, you have a lot of AI too. You see this said as you can use this to create a whole movie. You can see all these things. You can recreate all this movie now. All this template now you can use it to create your own, or you can use a different one. You can see a movie. So before I go into this one, let me first go into this. You see, when you come to explore, that's when you see all this. Don't forget the same way it's displaying on this laptop is the same way it's displaying on phone. So you can use it to create image, cinemas. You can see a lot of things that you can do with Xfeed. In fact, Xfeed is one of the most complex AI tools. It has a lot of things inside. You have to you can use it to draw or to edit. You can see from sketch to picture a lot of things that you can do with Xfeed. Then you see the video creation aspect. You have a lot of edit. You can use it to edit a video. You can use it to do a lot of things. Videos. You can use it for audio. You can see voiceover. If you want to do a voiceover, you can change voice. You can translate any video. If it's in English, you can translate to Hausa. If it's in Hausa, you can translate to Yoruba. You can do everything you want to do here. So this is marketing studio. If you are into marketing, if you want to, let's say you have a product you want to market, you can use this one. You can use cinema. You can see cinema studio. That's You can use this one. AI director, collaborative element, and per shot camera. You can use it to create a whole movie. You see, let me start with marketing. Let's say you have a product to sell. This is marketing. So all you just need to do is upload the product. You upload the product you want to. Let's say this is what I want to sell. You upload it. Then let me go to ChatGPT to. I want to go to ChatGPT to give me. ChatGPT is going to give me. So I want ChatGPT to write. Okay, product description to sell the product. So I've already talked about to ChatGPT about the product before. So now, so this is it. So copy, then I'll go back to my X field. So now description. This is the product description. I'm going to put my product description here. So what is my product description? Paste. So this is my description. Now, uh oh, now let me upload another one. They did not accept that image. Let me upload another one. Okay, let me use this one. So it's because of copyright. That's why they know. Now it's uploading now. So with this X feed now, you can do a lot of things. I just want to start with product advert first. These are the things I know you can do instantly and get money. So now it's loading. Let's wait for it to load. Uh, it's loading. It's loading. It's loading. This product is not allowed to. Okay, let me upload another one. Let me see. Oh, So we are seeing our products. All you just need to do is click on create product. I don't know why it's not allowing this to go. Or let's just go ahead with another thing. Why that one is still loading? AI. Let's go ahead with another thing. So why that one is still loading? Let's go ahead with another thing. Like I'm saying, you can see ready to use. If you want to help, you might have seen all this resumania that they used to use. So you can just click on it. There are a lot of templates. Can you see? Upload your face, then you generate. So now I want to upload. Let me upload my face. So I'm going to upload from library. I want to upload my image now. I want to upload my image. Let me upload from desktop. So now I'm uploading my image. This is a WrestleMania. This is wrestling. So I want to create my own wrestling using this template now. So you can see this Xfeed is one of the most interesting AI tool. You can use it to create a lot of videos. If you're a content creator, only this one is enough for you. Only this Xfeed is enough for you to for your content. Even when you don't know what to create. So now I'll just click on generate. But you can you see you have to pay for the buy your own this thing. I told you most of these AI tool are not free. You have to buy. You have to buy credit. So if you just buy that credit now, you can create that for you can create any of this. You see all this movie now, you can do this. You can see a lot of videos. They use this for music videos. You can see for a whole movie now, you can use this one. Let's create video. Or you can see you can use this motion control. Motion control is if you see a video, a trending video now, you can now upload your own image. You can upload your own image to recreate. So let me add image. Let me add image. Start frame. So then end frame. Always remember most AI tools for video creation they are not free. It's only Grok that used to be free before, but now even Grok is no more free again. So now you need 8.75 to generate this. You see, I don't have enough credit. So all you just need to do is you have to buy credit to be able to create videos. To be able to create videos, you need let me see my assets. Assets are the videos that you've created, the works you have done. Those are your assets. So anything you generate will come here. So you can generate videos, you can generate charts, you can generate a lot of things that are inside this X field. So all you just need to do first is to buy credit score. Once you buy the credit score, you can see a lot of things you can create. You can see videos, you can create videos. Whatever thing you decide that you want to use for your content, you can do it here, but it's not free. So all those content you see online, most of them are paid. They pay to do them. So They pay to do them. You can see pricing 30% off. So that is that about Xfeed.com.